This video has to do with using tool sets within FingerWorks 5. The tool sets are what can be saved and customized for each individual user, and the way you access them is through this toolbar menu. There's the major groups of tools here under the Add Tools section. There's individual tools within each of those major groups that you can here where you can actually choose a tool. We have presets for each tool now where you can see a preview of what the tool might look like, so you can more quickly create the type of tool you're looking for. And over here is actually which tool set is loaded. In this case it's called Showtime, and it's showing the individual tools that form part of that toolbar all the way down. One thing you can do about tool sets now as well is you can pick a tool and say you're not happy with the position it is in your toolbar. You can move it up, and you'll see it move across here. You can move it right up to position 1, or you can move it back down into a position. So this allows you to put the tools in the position that you want to use them for your particular event that you're doing, and save that position so you can call it back over and over and over again. The load button allows you to go in here and select different tool sets. So if you can find one you like, this Fox NFL, pick that up, and now you've got that tool set loaded with its various tools that have been saved into that tool set. If you wanted to create a new tool set from an existing one like this, you could pick this tool set, go into the menu. Actually, let's pick one that's a bit smaller here. Okay, let's say you looked at this tool set and you thought, you know what, there's two stretchy arrows, but I only want one of these in there. You go into the menu and you get this, and now you can remove that tool. You can remove that. Let's remove this check brush here. Let's go save as, and we're going to give it a name. We're going to save it as 123. Let's hit save. So now we've saved that tool set with a few less tools. We've called it 123. We can still go back and load the original tool set with what it had. But now we also have now created a new tool set under our own name called 123, and then we've edited it down to just include the tools that we wanted to. And again, once you have the tools on the screen, you've got the ability to go into the edit, which is whichever one is in green at the bottom there, or you can go into edit last. That gives you all these attributes for the various tools that you can create, and as you're changing these are being automatically updated to the particular tool set that you have loaded at that time. Another way to create a tool set is to use the new button, and it'll ask you to clear that tool set. It's going to ask you to give a new name for that, and we'll call this one 456. Save that. So now we've created a new tool set, and we're going to add that dashed arrow. We can go in here and change the size of it. We can change the color, all the different attributes. We're going to add that to the toolbar. Now we're going to go pick another one here. Let's try the point to point. Add that to the toolbar. This one's got animation built in, so we can speed up the animation a little bit. We can resize it, make it a bit smaller, and then add that to the toolbar. So now we go save as 456. We're going to save that, overwrite, and now we've created a new tool set called 456. So now we can go back, load the 123 that we created earlier. There's that 123. We can go back and load the original Fox tool set we had for all the sets, or now we can go back and load the 456 tool set with just those two tools that we created for that. So there's a couple of ways to create tool sets within FingerWorks 5 and save them, but the big key is here, you go to the menu and load, and that'll give you that list of all the tool sets that are saved on, give you a starting point, or let you run through some tool sets and get some ideas for tools, and then you can start to create your own tool sets from scratch. Thanks.